Hey YouTube, so I was sitting here cleaning my exhaust. I have the JackHammers from SVT. So you can see this one over here is real dirty. And mind you, I think this exhaust is, I don't know, maybe a month old. But anyway, you can see this one is really dirty. And I got this one really clean. So I picked up this this stuff that I had heard of before called Quick-Glo Fine for light use. So you just take it and you put a little bit. You just take it and you put a little bit on a terry cloth rag. So I'll just show that real quick. So you just take it and rub it on. Then when you have a nice little coat on there, just flip the rag over to the other side. And sorry for the shaky camera. And just rub it off. And you can see the difference. Of course, I'll do another application, but when you're done, it will look like that. So that looks brand new. Looks it's just like it was when I put the exhaust on. So I'll do another coat on here, and then I'll show you how they both look when I'm done. All right, back again. So there you go. So now both exhaust tips look nice and clean and brand new again. Look at that. Nice. And the stuff I used is called Quick-Glo Chrome Cleaner. So I've used this on other parts of the bike to clean the chrome, especially exhaust. When you get like a spot on it or anything like that. So this kind of cleans the exhaust pipe really good. But anyway, Quick-Glo Chrome Cleaner. So if you got some stubborn spots on your chrome, try this stuff out and it just might help. All right, guys. Bye.